Hello there. Welcome to another daily dose of aviation. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start. This plane of Singapore Airlines had fire on one of the engines in mid-flight, forcing the pilots to return immediately and saving a lot of lives. Happily, nobody was seriously injured.
Apa jadi ya? Wah, ni confirm semua passenger turun tak nak belayar tau. Mobil. Semua pergi depan, belakang tak ada. Belakang.
This plane was flying normally when the engine failed and it turned off, forcing the pilot to almost make an emergency landing, but in the last moment, the engine could be turned on and the plane returned to the sky. Before I show you the last clip, I'm remembering you to like, subscribe and share the video if you want more videos like this. This is an airport in Peru that have a dangerous approach near some mountains. To do this maneuver, you must have a very good experience with flying planes. That's all the video. All the sources will be in the description. I upload videos every day if I can. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on, if you are new in this channel and to don't miss more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.